Hi guys, I'm back with another video and this is gonna be a challenge. So Jellywishes challenged me to, okay, say this 3 times fast. Jellywishes challenged me to do a decal. I have never done a decal before. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna be using my Moyu Tropical number 07. I have seen Cassis do a video today. I will link her channel below. She does wonderful designs and she actually used, really funny coincidence, this plate today to do a decal, and she was taking those 2 flowers and it looked quite cute. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I have prepared 2 of my tips. So for one I'll use the flower, the other one we will see later. And what you need for this decal is first, of course, a stamping polish. I'm going to use Sun Yellow from Jollifin, but you can use any other yellow. For the decal I will fill it in with a pink color and an orange color. Then you need to have some top coat to put over the decal, of course your stamper, scraper, and I will use a dotting tool to fill in the decal with color. So I've cleaned the plate, I don't know, and gonna use those 2 little hibiscus flowers for my decal. So, lightly scrape, pick them up with the stamper. So here we go, and what I'm gonna do is start off with the middle section, which was a lighter pink. Is this in focus? Yes, it is. So, well, we will see how it turns out. I will let you know. Okay, this needs to dry now, and then I'm gonna apply some top coat. Hi guys, I'm back. I had to restart my iPad. There was, I don't know, some kind of problem. So while that was going on, I did a second decal. I used the Moyu Tropical London Plate 04, and I also filled in already the decal. So this needs to dry now, and then I will top coat it. This here is already dry enough, so I can put on the top coat and again let that dry. So I'm hoping I'm not gonna smear it now. So I'm gonna put that away again for it to dry. And this one is actually, yeah, it is already dried. So I can top coat that as well. Again, you have to, from what I've seen, float this over the image in order not to smear it. Good. Let's see how that looks when it's dried. So here we are, moment of truth. The decals should be dry enough so I can peel them off. I have stamped some leafy background on this tips that I use for design tests, so that I have something to put them on. So let's see if I can get this off. Gently peel and then put it on the nail, and I know I'm off camera and here I am. Well, it turned out better than I thought, I have to say. Have to push it down a little, and yeah, okay, I went over the line a little here and here, but I think overall it's not that bad for the first decal. It doesn't stick yet completely, but I will have, of course, to top coat it. So let's try the flamingo, how that turned out. I did that off camera, so it was a little better in terms of... So here we go. Yeah, this turned out a lot better. So I'm gonna put that on and smooth it on here. So I'm gonna top coat those and then I'm gonna show you the end result. I'm back with the final results. I have top coated both tips now, and I think they turned out quite nice for the first try for my decals. I would probably not do this for every nail, it takes quite a little time, but for an accent nail or a thumb and accent nail, this is something that I will certainly have a go at in one of my next manicures. So I hope you like this little challenge video. Here's a shout out to Jellolicious. Yay, I did it! So thank you all for watching, and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and see you next time. Ta-da!